Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. I'm Maya, and today we're going to talk about something that can completely change your English speaking ability. The topic is Think in English, a simple method for beginners. Let me ask you a question. When you want to speak English, what happens inside your mind? Do you first think in your native language and then translate everything into English? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Most English learners do exactly the same thing. The problem is that translation is slow. Your brain creates a sentence in your language first. Then it tries to find the English words. Then it tries to remember the grammar. And finally, you speak. By that time, the conversation has already moved on. That is why many learners feel nervous when speaking English. Today, I will show you a simple method to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. And the best part is that you can start doing this today. Let's begin. First, understand one important fact. You do not need perfect English to think in English. Many beginners believe they need thousands of words before they can think in English. That is not true. You only need the words you already know. For example, imagine you are sitting in your room. Look around and describe what you see. You can think, this is my bed. There is a window. My phone is on the table. The room is clean. These are simple sentences. But they are powerful because you are training your brain to use English directly. Now, let's move to the second method. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, it may sound strange, but it works. Imagine you are getting ready in the morning. You can think, I am waking up. I need to brush my teeth. I am making breakfast. I am going to work. Or, I am going to school. Nobody needs to hear you. You can do it silently in your mind. The goal is simple. Use English during your daily activities. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Now let's look at another powerful technique. Ask yourself simple questions in English. For example, what am I doing now? How do I feel today? What should I do next? Then answer those questions in English. For example, what am I doing now? I am watching a video. How do I feel today? I feel good. What should I do next? I should study English. This exercise is excellent because real conversations are built from questions and answers. By practicing this way, you prepare your brain for real communication. Now let's talk about something very important. Do not worry about mistakes. Many learners stop themselves because they are afraid of thinking incorrectly. Remember this. Thinking in English is practice. It is not a test. Nobody is grading you. Nobody is checking your grammar. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is progress. Even if your sentence is not perfect, keep going. Every time you think in English, your brain becomes stronger. Now here is another useful exercise. Use pictures. Open your phone and look at any photo. Then describe it in English. For example, there is a man. He is smiling. The weather is sunny. There are trees behind him. This is a simple but effective way to build thinking skills. You can practice anywhere and anytime. Now let's discuss the biggest mistake beginners make. They try to think in long and complicated sentences. Don't do that. Start small, very small. For example, instead of thinking, I would like to explain my opinion regarding this situation. Think. I think this is good. Simple English is still English. As your vocabulary grows, your thoughts will naturally become longer and more advanced. Be patient. Language learning is a journey. Now I want to give you a 5-minute daily challenge. For the next 7 days, spend just 5 minutes every day thinking only in English. Describe your room. Describe your day. Ask yourself questions. Talk to yourself. Use the words you already know. Do not translate. Just think. At first, it may feel difficult. Your brain may want to switch back to your native language. That is normal. Keep going. Every day will become a little easier. And after a few weeks, you will notice something amazing. English words will come to your mind faster. Speaking will feel more natural, and your confidence will grow. Remember, fluent speakers do not translate every sentence. They think directly in English, and you can learn to do the same, one small step at a time. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Speed English, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. I'm Maya, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep thinking in English. See you next time.